Fauchelevent becomes a gardener in Paris. Fauchelevent had dislocated his kneepan in his fall. Father Madeleine had him conveyed to an infirmary which he had established for his workmen in the factory building itself, and which was served by 2 sisters of charity. On the following morning the old man found a 1,000-franc banknote on his nightstand, with these words in Father Madeleine's writing: "I purchase your horse and cart." The cart was broken, and the horse was dead. Fauchelevent recovered, but his knee remained stiff. Madeleine, on the recommendation of the Sisters of Charity and of his priest, got the good man a place as gardener in a female convent in the Rue Saint-Antoine in Paris.
Some time afterwards, Madeleine was appointed mayor. The first time that Javert beheld Madeleine clothed in the scarf which gave him authority over the town, he felt the sort of shudder which a watchdog might experience on smelling a wolf in his master's clothes. From that time forth he avoided him as much as he possibly could. When the requirements of the service imperatively demanded it, and he could not do otherwise than meet the mayor, he addressed him with profound respect.
This prosperity created at Sur M. by Father Madeleine had, besides the visible signs which we have mentioned, another symptom which was none the less significant for not being visible. This never deceives. When the population suffers, when work is lacking, when there is no commerce, the taxpayer resists imposts through penury, he exhausts and oversteps his respite, and the state expends a great deal of money in the charges for compelling and collection. When work is abundant, when the country is rich and happy, the taxes are paid easily and cost the state nothing. It may be said that there is one infallible thermometer of the public misery and riches, the cost of collecting the taxes. In the course of 7 years the expense of collecting the taxes had diminished 3/4 in the arrondissement of Sur M. And this led to this arrondissement being frequently cited from all the rest by de Villèle, then Minister of Finance.
Such was the condition of the country when Fantine returned thither. No one remembered her. Fortunately, the door of Madeleine's factory was like the face of a friend. She presented herself there, and was admitted to the women's workroom. The trade was entirely new to Fantine, she could not be very skillful at it, and she therefore earned but little by her day's work, but it was sufficient, the problem was solved, she was earning her living.